Hello everyone, this is Life Micro Skills. Today's Knot article introduces the trailer knot. Skills that all drivers should learn. The play is simple and easy to understand. Let's see how to do it. I'll prepare a rope here. I'll fold the rope a bit. The rope on the right is shorter. On the left is the main rope, which is longer. If we want to tow the truck, we put it on the trailer hook. After putting the rope over the object, I put the main rope on the left with my left hand. Tighten the rope on the right. It forms a rope loop. After forming a circle, pull the rope on the right double. Go through the rope loop on the left. We make fire buckles for convenience. Wait a minute to untie our main rope. The knot is ready. This is a very simple trailer rope knot. It's great for towing. This knot is very simple. In fact, it can also be used to tie livestock in rural areas. It's all possible. When cattle are grazing in the countryside, a lot of people use this knot. It's very strong on the forest. It's not because we made a light button. So to unravel, as soon as you pull the rope, it will be untied. Is it a very convenient knot? Have you learned this trailer knot? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and follow us. See you next time. Bye.